Buy-sell indicator MT4 and other types for profitable Forex trading. There are some common indicators within the Forex trading scope that traders can look at before buying and selling. The so-called buy-sell indicator MT4 is only one of them. Each indicator is a different one from another that generally serves the same purpose within the trading platform of Forex. In other words, the buy and sell indicator is considered as a crucial tool to make the perfect decision when attempting to buy and sell for the best profit margin possible. 1. Basic function of buy and sell indicator. It has been mentioned earlier that buy and sell indicators, just like the buy-sell indicator MT4, is amidst the tool in Forex trading. It employs a kind of technical indicator that will help even beginners to make a move like pros within the market. In general, it helps traders to find the best trade ideas in terms of when to buy and sell. More importantly, it helps trades to see the possible potentials of certain stuff within the market. It also helps in making market analysis easier and quicker for the traders. 2. The way buy and sell indicator works. The buy-sell indicator MT4, like the other indicators, will work by plotting a line to show the insight into the active market of Forex. The line shown by the indicator will be affected by the current condition of the trend in the market. It can either be bullish or bearish accordingly. Within each session of Forex trading, the indicator will provide some decent lines that show the possible ideas for trades to focus their buying and selling activities for that particular session. The ability to decide which line to drop the move is crucial in determining the actual profit to get in the end. 3. The MT4 indicator. This particular indicator of buying and selling in any Forex market may not be the most popular one today. Yet, it offers a decent way to look into the market comprehensively and making a decent decision for the trade. It draws a blue arrow to give the trades a kind of signal to invest on that arrow. On the other hand, there is also a red arrow, which means that is the point to sell the asset of the traders. The good thing about this buy-sell indicator MT4 is that it works well in the MT4 platform. It turns out that the MT4 platform is the most popular platform of Forex trading, so that it is a decent option of buy and sell indicators to use. Aside from the MT4 indicator, there are other options as well to consider. The other options include the Stochastics Forex buy-sell indicator, Parabolic SAR, and also the buy-sell magic indicator. It is okay to try each one of those indicators to see which one is the best accordingly. So far, the buy-sell indicator MT4 is the one that could work well in the MT4 platform. That makes it the best one to consider other options. Click the link below in the description to learn more.